sundown 7500s.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Hey, how you doing? Can I come in? Whew. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick? Having head unit problems?
Yeah. Voltage is a little low too. You're at
15.2 instead of 15.8, 16. Whoa. Is it 16 12s? 18. Oh, they're 10s. Okay, wow.
Yeah, 18 sundown U10s.
Uh-huh.
6 sundown 7500s.
Okay.
Steel cage, 6 order, 252 customs.
Wow. I think I remember hearing this before. This thing's huge.
It used to have S810s.
Okay.
You probably heard it.
And have you dialed your port in since the changeover yet? No? Okay.
I haven't messed with it.
Hey, what's going on everyone? This is JacobViral. So I went ahead and put a previous video link in the description of when he had the SAs. So this is the Sundown SA version of these subs that you can see in this thumbnail right here. So definitely recommend checking that out. You can see how far he's come. Be sure to give Ryan a thumbs up. He's about to give me a 2-song bass demo. Really loud. Even the camera shakes from so much pressure. But before that, just want a quick little commentary. So the power he has on these amplifiers that you can see in the backstage here are insane. They are massive amplifiers. And he was running this at the high 15, low 16 volt range. So very powerful amount of power. So he's definitely doing mid 60s on music when he turns it up all the way. And he had head unit problems. So hopefully we get a pretty loud bass demo. One thing on this one, a lot of people might not realize, but these 3 ports in the back make this a 6th order bandpass enclosure, and 252 Customs did a really good job with fabricating it with a steel cage. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to the bass demo. I appreciate y'all watching, and stay tuned for more videos by subscribing. Okay. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
The time comes and a man can stop away and face it. The time comes and a man can stop away and face it. We're back in business, boys. We're back in business, boys. We're back in.
Faithful to my camp. What about your camp? Titanium, my little ones. Move. Soil tested this. Do. So lifesavers up in this. The cops got the.
We're back in business. The time comes when a man gotta stop running away and face that. The time comes when a man gotta stop running away and face that. We're back in business, boys. We're back in business, boys.
In order to do some right, you gotta do some wrong.
Man, that's punchy. And you got way more motor force now than you used to have with the U's. Very nice build. I really appreciate the demo. Your name, is it Ryan?
Yep,
Ryan, awesome. Thank you very much, Ryan.
You want to hear a low?
Yeah, I'll hear the low. Sure, man.
It's not real low.
Yes, sir. Like 27, 28? All right. Cheers.
Yeah.
What is your, do you know your peak frequency on that yet, in the low and the high end?
So sealed up, it peaks at 29 hertz.
Okay.
Or open, it's like 44.
44? Very nice bandwidth. Did a good job. 252 Customs. Awesome.
sir.
Thank you very much for the demo again, man.
Thanks, man.
That was brilliant.
Thanks.
Wow, that was loud. You have a good day.
We're back in business. We're back in business, boys. We're back in. The time comes when a man can stop away and face them. The time comes when a man can stop away and face them. We're back in business, boys. We're back in. We're back in business, boys. We're back in.
With my problem solving my Patreon, goon up and get tuned up. Faithful to my camp. What about your camp? Titanium, my loved ones in. Move, soil tested it. Do. So lifesavers up in this. What time?
The time comes when a man can stop away and face them. The time comes when a man can stop away and face them. We're back in business, boys. We're back in business, boys. We're back in.
With my problem solving my Patreon, goon up and get tuned up. To my camp. What about your camp? Titanium, my loved ones in. Move, soil tested it. Do. The lifesavers up in this. One time for
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.